Okay, boy. Where are we going now?
We are going east. The African coast should be in that direction.
Oh, yes. I know that. What kind of captain would I be if I didn't know that?
There's a city called Bagar. It was marked on a map in the comm room. I guess that the Kabujan is going there, and I intend to follow it. It's so cold here.
Of course. The night is cold on the sea. An invigorating cold that the landlubbers like you can't appreciate. Only us, the old sea dogs, can cope with it.
How did Sakharin get control of your ship?
He appeared one day asking questions about my family. A lot of questions. Some weeks later, I woke up and was imprisoned in my cabin. That greedy Alan, the dirty brigand, sold me like a piece of tuna.
Sakharin also kidnapped me. He's up to something. I still don't know what. What do you want, Snowy? This is Sakharin's scroll. How did you manage to get it, Snowy?
What's that thingy, lad?
Sakharin kidnapped me for one of these. I still don't know what this is.
You're tired, lad. Better to lie down and take a nap. Don't worry about me. I will keep myself warm and alert.
I should go to sleep now. Wake me up at dawn and we'll switch.
Boy, wake up! We're saved! We're saved! God bless the sea dog's luck!
What? What are you saying? They're attacking us! We are not saved, Captain!
It's the Karabujan plane! It's partially shielded. Shoot only when I signal you!
Thanks, Captain! I will try as he passes over us!
Shoot! That's it, boy! Shoot the tail! Attack the side! Keep shooting! They're using the flare gun as a long-range weapon! Shoot now! Attack the side! Keep shooting! Shoot now, Tintin! Attack the side! Keep shooting! Now, Tintin! Attack the side! Keep shooting! Shoot now, Tintin!
That plane is our ticket out. I'm going to approach it underwater. Try to catch them off guard.
Do you think that gun will withstand more water, boy?
Shouldn't be a problem. I used all the bullets taking down the plane.
Oh.
Yes, I know. But we have no other choice. Wish me luck.
Is the engine ready? What's taking you so long?
Long? We've only been here for 5 minutes. It's almost ready.
4 minutes more than I expected. I can't see those guys behind the lifeboat. They're probably planning something.
Hands up, both of you.
You can't shoot the both of us fast enough.
Give me an excuse.
Okay. What are you going to do with us?
You know how to fly this machine?
I'm a good pilot. Trust me.
The last time someone told me that, I spent 3 weeks on a deserted island with a crate of rum and a sack full of carrots. I'm starting to taste the carrots in my mouth.
It's right in our way, and it's too big. We can't go around it.
Avoid that cloud, boy! The electricity will harm the plane! Well done, boy!
Don't flatter me too soon, Captain!
plane, boy. They always hint before they strike.
Something happened to this plane. The controls are stiff as a statue. The controls say there's some kind of problem with the wings. Captain, someone has to go outside and find out what's wrong with them.
Why does someone mean me?
Would you rather fly the plane?
I'll go outside. I'm allergic to water, lightning, and long falls. My cap.
Wonderful work, Captain. I don't know what you did, but the controls work again. That blast hit fried the engine. We're going down! We're going down!
Tell me that you were first in your class at grassland!